Good morning everyone. Today we will see construction of a triangles. In this construction number 4, to construct a right angle triangle given the hypotenuse and one side. Before starting with the example, we will see the meaning of hypotenuse. Here, hypotenuse definition is in a right angle triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. So for more understanding, we will draw the diagram of right angle triangle. You can see in this diagram angle B is a right angle, and as per the definition, side opposite to the right angle. So this side AC, which is opposite to B, that is right angle. Therefore this side or seg AC is a hypotenuse. So side AC is a If we have understood this, then only we can construct this. Now look at the example given. Example is construct triangle LMN such that angle LMN is equals to 90 degree, hypotenuse is equals to 5 centimeter, length of MN is equals to 3 centimeter. So before proceeding, we have to draw a rough diagram. So rough diagram, we will draw a right angle first. Major angle LMN is equals to 90 degree. As I have told previously, when the three alphabets are given for writing the angle, we will take middle alphabet, that is single alphabet for the angle. That means major angle M is equals to 90 degree. So this is a right angle, we will label it as a M. Now hypotenuse is equals to 5 centimeter. So hypotenuse means side opposite to the angle. That's why this is a hypotenuse and we will label it as a 5 centimeter. Then it is given length of MN is equals to 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter we can write here also and down also. But we require base always to draw the diagram. That's why we will write MN 3 centimeter as a base. Now as per this diagram, we will draw the diagram. As the rough work, we will draw 3 centimeter base first. M N 3 centimeter. Now draw a right angle using a protractor. Coincide point M with this point, line and mark 90 degree. Use scale to join these 2 points. Draw little bit bigger one. Now here we have drawn right angle, we have taken base. Here L N 5 centimeter is remaining. So we will take scale and measure 5 centimeter. From point N, we will mark on angle, and this arc is our point L. Now join point L and N. Write the measurement. Thus, we have constructed a right angle triangle when the hypotenuse and one side is given.